Okay.
Well, had to disconnect the fan connector, which is one here, and that posed a problem till I could, because you couldn't see what you had to do, but you just got to actually push that in, see?
Yep.
And in the right place. I was pushing that, but you got to push it halfway down somewhere, and then it just came out. Once that's done, it's pretty straightforward. But angle it up like that. Yeah, as you can, one shroud.
Now.
All right, so what we're going to do is change this fluid clutch on this fan. I don't know if it's bugging or not, but I've bought a new one, so we might as well put it on while we've got access to it. So what we've got to do is get these 4 10mm nuts on the butt here. And there they are. Oh, it's very tight to get. Okay, there's. Got it? Excellent. All right, now, according to Foiled Oil and Dalgety, where's that?
This camera is dung.
What's wrong with it?
It's blurring.
I hope this works. Gotta be careful with the camera. Why won't that come? It's
Yep, it's moving.
yeah. It's almost like this. Well, the car pin's on the left there to get off. Oh, God. Oh, God almighty. It's
almost out.
yeah, no.
Oh,
What, huh?
I think you are bugging the thread.
You what, darling?
The thread.
Oh, what was that? Oh, that's just. It's just. Right, so.
So that's the
Alright, so that's.
the butcher style.
Never.
It's a butcher style.
So what you can do now?
So this is the new one. So this is the old one that we took out of the car. That's
So,
why.
All right, that looks like the ones with the nuts. Duck's nuts. Oh, shit happens. Fan. Well, you see that coil? That's like a temperature sensitive device. When it gets hot, you see. No, we took it off.
Oh,
But, okay.
Don't make it upside down, or you know where you're going.
But you see, oops. This, you see how that slips?
Yep.
It doesn't necessarily drive the fan.
Okay.
It does a little bit, but when it gets hot, it gets to the point where you can't turn that. That engages solid with that and drives the fan full speed. When it's cold, this goes there, but the fan can go slower. Saves horsepower.
Save horsepower.
Well, it takes horsepower to run it. And if you take horsepower away from your engine, you've got less power for high speed or Oh no, look, see, she said that. You get dust in it, it gets out of balance.
Hmm.
You see that? See
Yeah.
that crap? So what we should do...
You need a thing.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, that'll do.
Okay, we're back here.
Yeah, which way did it go? It
No,
says
this one downside, like
like
that.
that.
Yep,
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Or maybe not.
Oh God! So this is the new fan clutch, and we feel that you could probably put it on without the bloody fan itself to get better access to the mounting bolts at the back. So we're going to put this on first. There it is. There. There's another.
Okay, 4 screws in. Tighten all those nuts there.
Okay. Let's start with the easy one.
Okay. So
Anyway, we know that that's the side we couldn't see, right? Yeah.
So we'll put it that way because we cannot screw it from the back.
There we are.
Okay, that's easy.
You notice that there's not as many blades on ours as the one on the tutorial.
I didn't notice anything.
They had lots more blades and they're a bit more rounded. So
Let me start one. Oops. Okay. Doing it second time or first time, remove the, what you call that? The fan first.
yeah.
So you have a better access right up the back there.
Thank God. Oh, I think that's...
Okay, so now
Very
let's
good.
get into the hard bit. The hard bit is up next here.
Yeah,
So this is just the fan, what you call this?
the fluid clutch.
Fluid
the fan,
clutch.
yeah.
Fluid clutch for the fan. So ding ding!
Yeah, just